That's what I'm talking about. We will be making French toast today, Joshua Weissman's recipe. We are gonna be cooking it on Trangia stove with gas. Freshly baked brioche bread is definitely preferable. Custard pre-made at home for the brioche. I had to taste it. Cinnamon sugar, Nutella, butter. That's a combo. Coffee and French toast. Coffee and French toast. What a combo. It is really cold out and it is nice to have a warm cup of coffee and freshly made French toast. Let's try it out. It is so good. Super nice, especially with a warm cup of coffee, hot chocolate, tea on a cold day. I used an Nalgene bottle because they close really tightly. Some of you are going to be wondering you didn't use the Nutella at all. That is true. That was the plan. Basically it's so cold that the Nutella is really hard. So honestly, you don't really need anything else because it already has beautiful cinnamon sugar. And the custard. You know, if you have fresh fruit, berries, if it's the berry season, pick up some berries, serve it with that. Jam would be good. Applesauce would be excellent as well. Sliced apples. Joshua Weissman, thank you very much for your recipe. Yeah, all these planes. It's been every 10 minutes a plane going up. So next time I make my videos not very close to an airport. Me.